Why didn't you go there yesterday?
Because I was very tired.
Why don't you stop smoking?
Because I just can't. Why was she crying?
Because she had a fight with her boyfriend.
Why are you saving money?
Because I want to buy a car.
Why do you prefer to travel by plane?
Because it is faster and more efficient.
Why doesn't she like him?
Because he's very boring.
Why do you like chocolate?
Because it's sweet and delicious.
Why did you choose this book to read?
Because it was recommended by a friend.
Why do you exercise regularly?
Because it helps me stay healthy.
Why do you prefer to work in the morning?
Because I am more focused and productive during the morning.
Why will Jack sell the motorcycle?
Because he needs money.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.